For as long as humans have walked the earth, we've contemplated the starry night sky, seeking to understand the connection between the heavens and ourselves. Today, modern tools like the Hubble Space Telescope provide us with a view of the universe unparalleled in human history. Our vision now extends into the farthest regions of space and to the earliest moments of time.
We wonder why we found life only on Earth, and when our ancestors first became aware of the universe. To understand why some worlds bear life, we will visit the barren worlds in our solar system. To discover when life became intelligent, we will journey to the grasslands of East Africa over 3 million years ago.
Over 100 planets and moons of all sizes orbit the Sun, yet only one has intelligent life, or perhaps any life at all. Many of the outer planets, like Saturn, lie so far from the Sun that the Sun looks like a bright star in their cold, eternal night. These are frozen worlds without enough energy from sunlight to fuel the birth of life. Distance from the Sun is the first critical factor in the development of life. Solar energy increases as we move sunward toward Jupiter. This is a world that produces its own energy by shrinking, generating heat as gravity reduces its size. Turbulent windstorms race through the cloud tops at hurricane speeds, creating bright zones and dark belts in Jupiter's atmosphere. Life is most unlikely in this violent, toxic, floating world without a solid surface.
But Jupiter's large moons could harbor life. For instance, Io, closest of the large moons, is an amazing world of dramatic change. Its surface is always active with erupting volcanoes that constantly resurface the moon. But on Io, change is too violent and destructive, and the surface is too unstable for life to develop. Callisto possesses the most ancient surface. With highly eroded canyons and ice valleys, this world has changed very little since its birth billions of years ago. Although violence destroys life, life cannot develop and evolve on a world without any change. The barren Callisto is as poorly suited for life as the violent Io. Jupiter's moon, Europa, looks more like a cracked ice ball than a moon. It is a much less violent place than Io, but much more dynamic than Callisto. On its surface, long fissures mark fracture lines in the icy crust. Underneath could be a liquid ocean and possibly life. Jupiter's moon, Ganymede, also has an icy crust. On Europa and Ganymede, water provides the medium, and tidal forces with Jupiter could provide the energy. But any life below these icy surfaces would certainly be simple and primitive. The necessary conditions are present, but they cannot guarantee the emergence of life.
Moving sunward, we reach the red planet Mars. Although just half the size of Earth, Mars is a world of gigantic features like volcanoes larger than Mount Everest, canyons the width of the United States, and ancient dried-up riverbeds. Billions of years ago, this world was much wetter with a thicker atmosphere that allowed liquid water on its surface. Life could have begun here long ago, but today's dry and cold Mars cannot support the development of life. Any life on Mars now hides below the planet's parched surface. The Martian atmosphere is too thin to support life.